Dysphania ambrosioides, formerly Chenopodium ambrosioides, known as Jesuit's tea, Mexican tea, payqu, Epazote, mastruz, or herba sanctæ Mariæ, is an annual or short-lived perennial herb native to Central America, South America, and southern Mexico. Benefits: Epazote has a large amount of dietary fiber, which helps to improve digestive problems, favors the reduction of flatulence, and relieves indigestion due to the presence of carminative compounds that act as aging agents. Consumption of the herb can reduce gastrointestinal problems such as constipation, cramps, and abdominal bloating. In addition to helping in the treatment of acid reflux and gastritis, and helping to detoxify and strengthen the liver. Epazote has antioxidant compounds such as vitamin A and beta-carotene that bring benefits to the immune system and help protect the skin from premature aging. They also help protect the body from oxidative stress that can result in the development of various chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. The presence of B-complex vitamins in Epazote is able to increase the metabolism efficiency. In addition to promoting the conversion of food nutrients into energy, these vitamins improve eye and skin health, nervous system, immune system, and brain function. Epazote is a herb that contains high amounts of a monoterpene called ascaridole, which is the main bioactive ingredient that contributes to treatment against parasite, worm, and amoeba infections. Possible side effects: Epazote has been traditionally used as a contraceptive and a substance to provoke abortion, so it is not advised to be consumed by pregnant women. However, clinical evidence lacks to verify these claims. If used in exaggerated amounts, Epazote can cause gastrointestinal problems such as gastroenteritis and other effects such as headache, dizziness, mouth or throat irritation, and skin irritation. Still, it would be necessary to ingest a very large amount of the herb to see any serious adverse effects. Therefore, as long as it is used in moderation, Epazote is able to bring several benefits to your body. Pregnant or lactating women are advised to avoid consuming Epazote due to properties that can induce abortion or harm the health of the fetus or the baby. Quantity recommendations: It can be consumed as a seasoning, but my recommendation is to consume it as a tea, as it is easier, once a day. Use 4 large stems of Epazote leaves for each liter, or 33.81 SFLAs, of boiling water, and not consume more than 1 liter a day. Try to consume it gradually throughout the day and not all at once. Regardless the dish or drink, if it is hot, Epazote should only be added at the end of the preparation because the plant cannot withstand the heat for a long time and ends up losing its nutritional properties. Another tip is that younger fresh leaves have a milder aroma and flavor while older leaves have a stronger flavor, and this should be taken into account when cooking with the herb. Due to its main utilization as a herbal medicine, Epazote should be used as needed. In a case of parasite infection, dosages of half a cup of a leaf decoction for 3 consecutive days, once per day on an empty stomach, are traditionally used. After the 3 days pass, a laxative may be used to clean out the dead parasites.